Welcome back to Hamburlung Studio, where every space tells a story and every design choice carries meaning. Today, we're stepping into a world where shadows meet softness, where history blends with modern comfort, and where rustic charm becomes a living, breathing experience. This is not just about decorating a house, it's about shaping a feeling, a mood, and a lifestyle through thoughtful inside design. Imagine walking into a home where aged wood whispers memories, where warm lighting dances across textured walls, and where every corner feels both timeless and deeply personal. In this episode, we're exploring Moody Farmhouse 2026, uncovering 7 soulful rustic decorating ideas that transform ordinary spaces into emotional sanctuaries. From cozy living rooms to peaceful bedrooms, every detail is designed to inspire. Whether you're dreaming of rebuilding your space, refreshing your style, or simply seeking creative inspiration, you're in the right place. Here at Hamburlung Studio, we believe great inside design is about more than trends. It's about creating homes that reflect who you are. So settle in, open your imagination, and let's begin this journey into rustic beauty together. Where rustic stories begin. Welcome, friends, as we step inside this Moody Farmhouse 2026 journey. Our first stop is the heart of every home, the living room. This is where memories are made, conversations unfold, and comfort lives. To create this soulful rustic space, we start with natural textures. Think weathered wood beams, soft linen sofas, and stone-inspired accent walls. The key to mastering this inside design style is balance, mixing rough, rustic materials with warm, inviting lighting. Layer neutral tones like charcoal, cream, and earthy browns to create that moody farmhouse feel. Add oversized throw blankets, handmade pottery, and reclaimed wood coffee tables to elevate the rustic decorating experience. Imagine walking in after a long day, sinking into a deep, cozy sofa, surrounded by soft candlelight and vintage decor that whispers stories from the past. This is not just decorating, it's storytelling through space. Use layered lighting, floor lamps, wall sconces, and warm bulbs to create depth and emotional warmth. where flavor meets feeling. Now, let's move into the soul of the farmhouse, the kitchen and dining area. This space is where rustic decorating meets everyday life. Start with exposed wooden cabinetry, open shelving, and matte black fixtures to bring that moody farmhouse tone to life. Choose farmhouse sinks, stone countertops, and handcrafted ceramic dishes to add personality. For inside design harmony, let your dining table be the hero, preferably solid oak or reclaimed wood, aged beautifully by time. Above it, hang vintage pendant lights or wrought iron chandeliers to anchor the space. Picture family dinners, laughter echoing off wooden walls, warm soup simmering on the stove. This is what Moody Farmhouse 2026 is all about: connection through design. Mix old and new. Modern appliances with rustic finishes create timeless appeal. A sanctuary of rustic serenity. Step quietly now, we're entering the bedroom, a sacred space of rest and renewal. For this moody farmhouse inside design, focus on softness and depth. Start with a wooden bed frame, preferably distressed or handmade. Layer it with neutral linens, textured quilts, and plush pillows. Walls in muted grey, olive, or smoky beige create emotional calm. Add vintage nightstands, antique mirrors, and soft lamps to enhance the rustic decorating theme. This bedroom isn't just a place to sleep, it's a place to dream. Every fabric, every shadow, every detail whispers comfort. Use blackout linen curtains and warm bedside lighting to enhance mood and relaxation. rustic luxury in every detail. Next, let's transform the bathroom into a private farmhouse spa. Moody Farmhouse bathrooms are all about contrast. Combine raw stone tiles with wooden vanities and matte brass fixtures. Freestanding tubs and rainfall showers bring luxury into rustic decorating. Use framed mirrors with distressed wood, woven baskets for storage, and dried eucalyptus for a spa-like atmosphere. This space tells a story of slowing down, of self-care wrapped in soulful design. Stick to earthy tones and natural materials to keep the inside design authentic and calming. Where nature completes the story. Finally, we step outside, into the garden, where the farmhouse spirit truly comes alive. This is where rustic decorating meets nature. Use gravel pathways, wooden benches, iron lanterns, and climbing plants to create an organic sanctuary. Plant lavender, rosemary, wildflowers, and olive trees to enhance the moody countryside feel. Add a small fire pit or outdoor dining table for cozy evenings under the stars. Your garden isn't just landscaping, it's an extension of your inside design philosophy. It's where your home breathes. Use recycled wood and vintage decor outdoors for authenticity and sustainability. As we've seen today, Moody Farmhouse 2026 is more than a decorating trend. It's a heartfelt approach to living. Through rustic textures, thoughtful layouts, and soulful inside design, every room becomes a reflection of comfort, authenticity, and timeless style. From the living room to the garden, each space tells its own story through intentional decorating choices. If this journey into rustic design inspired you, encouraged you, or sparked new ideas for your own home, then you're already part of the Handcrafted Studio family. We're here to grow, learn, and create beautiful spaces together. So don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content, like this video to support the channel, and share it with someone who loves inside design and soulful decorating. Your support helps this community thrive, and we can't wait to see you in the next episode, right here on Handcrafted Studio.